Meaning of frumpish.
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 Frumpish. The word frumpish is an adjective that describes a person who is old-fashioned and dowdy in their appearance, demeanor, or attitude. It suggests someone who is unfashionable, unkempt, and lacking in style or charm. Frumpish individuals tend to be perceived as unattractive and boring, with little to offer in terms of personality or social skills. Their clothing and habits are often outdated and unappealing, leading others to perceive them as uninteresting or unremarkable. Overall, the term frumpish conveys a negative image of someone who is out of touch with contemporary culture and unappealing in various ways.